So here we are, another moment to take to just stop, observe, and steer our thoughts in the right direction. How often in a day do we really stop and see what's happening within the mind? The mind, your greatest gift, but it all depends on how I use it. I could be dwelling on the past, I could be overstressing about the future, but am I really living my life in this pristine moment? We are living in a time where we have the greatest tool, and that is using the intellect in the right way to change direction in our life or to enhance where we are at this very moment in life. So if you open onto this video right now, join me for just a few moments as we redirect our thoughts to a more positive and awakened state of being and living. So find your comfortable space. Ideally, it would be lovely if it is a quiet space so you can really do the inner work. And so as I sit comfortably now, I close my eyes and I turn my thoughts inwards, letting all the thoughts of yesterday fade away in the background. And I breathe full energy to the present moment. And I become the observer of myself. What am I feeling? What am I thinking? Who or what is in my thoughts right now? Is what that comes in my thoughts, is it of value to me? Is it going to enhance my life? Is it going to make me feel healthy in my body and mind? And I relax. And I come to the center space of who I really am, at the core of my being. At the core of my being lies a very pure vibration of strength, of presence, and an unshakable vibration. This is who I really am. A being of energy having a physical experience on earth. And so I breathe, and I breathe in positive energy into my heart space. Positive energy of realizing my own value. What do I value the most about myself? What is my strength? What is the reason I get up in the morning? So I take a moment to digest these thoughts. And as I sink deeper into a very grounded feeling in myself, I start to smile. And from today, I choose to become more mindful about myself. I become more the observer of life. And I realize the strength that I have within me that overrides whatever is happening in my life. And so I breathe and I breathe out. And I'll hold this powerful energy for as long as I can throughout the day. And I give thanks for taking the last few moments just to observe what's happening in the heart and mind. And so from me, Prishana, have a day filled with gratitude, a day filled with knowing that you are here on earth for a deeper purpose. Thank you, and I hope hope to connect with you at some point in the future. You're welcome to message me on my Facebook page, The Soul Sanctuary Durban. Bye for now.